going to check this double acting positioner. Can you check now, please?
Okay,
Now
this is air. Air supply, this is signal.
Okay, now we will put the air supply. Now try to move the flapper to see if the valve moving. So it's not moving. Now can we check now the connection? The output, we have two outputs. One output. Now removing the first output, no air. Now removing the second output, no air. Okay? So remove complete. Now we will check if the valve is working. There, okay. Going up. Now you put the other side. Now going down, put again. So it means the valve moving. Okay. Now put the other one, you will see there in the blade. Okay. Okay, now the blades are moving. This is a pin pan. Okay, try again. Okay. Move again. Okay. So now, manually, okay? Our final conclusion, we have problem in the positioner. Okay, guys?